Okay, wow. So just a few taps with this 3 pound hammer here. A few taps with this little bit bigger screwdriver. You know, I had some room to kind of slide it, kind of like such. Kind of, you know, tap it a little bit. Well, that's all it took. I mean, the weight of the auger was no longer compressing on the ingot, so there's really nothing to tie the ingot to the trough. And this dude here, look at that. That's a heavy dude, man. Put that in there. That was Mr. Ingot. So ingot's gone. And by the way, if you're not sure you have an ingot, what you'll hear these blades scraping on it, and it'll make like a high-pitched squeal noise. Not only that, but friction is how ingots form. So you put your hand on the underside of the trough and you feel it's warm, you know you got an ingot forming. So listen for your squealing, feel the warmth. Should raise some flags to you that you should maybe take off this cover, give it a visual inspection. See if you got an ingot. If you got an ingot and it's small enough, maybe, just maybe, you can use a screwdriver and a hammer to kind of chip at it. But you know, if it's on the underside and the underside of the auger, it's going to be real hard to get something underneath that to chip it. And even if you do get something underneath that, you're going to have the weight of the auger compressing down on your ingot, so it's going to be real hard to pop up. So you're going to have to bump your auger and maybe get the ingot where it's spaced in between these guys, and not the weight of the ingot is, you know, this thing is on the ingot causing it to stay in place. So anyways, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit better and make sure I don't have any more baby ingots forming, and then I'll start the process of putting this crap back together Humpty Dumpty style.